Guys, inflation has jumped. It has jumped a lot. And because of that, the rate cutting cycle may in fact be coming to an end. And there is a possibility rates may even increase. Stick with me because I've got a lot of information to go through here. You need every single point. And at the end, I'd love to hear your comments. Where do you think rates are going to go? Hey everyone, Scott Kuru here with another daily property update coming to you from the Lakeside Golf Course here at Camden. Check it out, everyone. If you want this information and more, every single day I bring you a daily property update. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button so that you can get these updates every single day so that you can be a property insider. Just when we thought rates were going to continue to be cut, Australia sees a surprise jump in inflation, and now economists say the RBA may pause further cuts and may even see a rate increase. Now, what does this mean for your mortgage? What does it mean for the property market? What does it mean for your property plans? What does it mean for rent prices? Let's dig in, guys. Now, the ABS just released numbers showing inflation rising to 2.8% year on year in July, up from 1.9% in June. This is a massive increase, guys. Now, even underlying inflation, this is what they call the trimmed mean measure, also spiked from 2.1% to 2.7%. What does the trim mean, guys? They just get rid of weird things that move up and down. So the top stuff and the bottom stuff, statistically, that could be a bit of an anomaly. They trim that off and they just look at what's happening in the middle to have a look at what's happening with what they call underlying inflation. That also jumped, guys, because every now and then you might have petrol jump through the roof and that will skew the numbers. So trim mean is what the RBA actually looks at. Check out this chart, guys. Trim mean has gone through the roof. Now, because inflation came in a lot hotter than expected, markets are now ruling out an interest rate cut in September. So we can kiss a rate cut goodbye in September, guys. Some economists believe the next chance for a cut is now looking like November if inflation cools and if household spending doesn't explode. Because right now, guys, it's household spending is out of control. We are spending so much money. The RBA doesn't like us out there enjoying ourselves in retail, in services, shopping, eating, and having fun. They don't like it. It drives inflation, guys. So strong consumer spending is what is actually pulling against the RBA wanting to ease too quickly. Now, mortgage holders expecting rate relief soon may need to adjust their budget. Any delay means repayments stay higher or longer. So if you are hoping, hanging on, waiting for that rate cut, guys, it's probably not going to come. First-home buyers might face fewer windows of opportunity, especially those relying on low rates plus small deposits. So if you're struggling with your borrowing capacity, you're struggling to get a loan approved, you're waiting for rate cuts to increase your budget, probably you will not see that in September. Maybe you need to reconsider the budget of the property that you're looking at. Renters could see rents stay elevated or rising because landlord costs are often tied to inflation, tied to interest, and also, guys, supply remains incredibly tight. Now, property prices are still forecast to grow. Reuters polls say 5 to 6% over the next 2 years, but affordability will get worse if rates don't drop. Now, if you're refinancing or looking to lock a fixed rate in, re-evaluate now. If cuts are delayed, fixed deals might get more expensive later. Consider holding off on major purchases if you expect a sharp relief in monthly repayments. Keep an eye on inflation metrics and RBA statements. They're going to matter more than ever. Now, for investors, rising inflation plus tight supply equals possible price gains, possible rent gains, but also risk if borrowing costs rise again or income growth doesn't keep up. Now, here's what's crystal clear, guys. This bounce in inflation has complicated the RBA's roadmap for rate cuts. A rate cut in September is looking unlikely, and the earlier expected relief is being pushed back. If you thought you had breathing room, you might have to hold on a bit longer. Guys, I'm Scott Kuru. This is your daily property update, your 3 to 5 minute update on what's happening in the property market so that you can be a property insider. Guys, if you love this information, you want to contribute to the community, I'd love to hear your opinion. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, and let me know what you think is going to happen with rates in the next 3, 6, and 9 months. Take care, everyone.